Unsa man na? Mayaga oy. Hi, cake. Hi, live. Say live. Hi. Ganino ba hot ba dai?
Wala lagi ni mo gidalay mo wifi.
Kalimot ko dai. Naman ko sa kanang pictures ako ano bag. Kung ko magpalit og delight, wala ko nakadalag man eh. Daw.
Day addict day.
Hello. Kasab daw cake, kasab daw cake. Go, wala scripted. Go, sige lang. Reaction ni mo, reaction. Go.
Ito mga day.
Mura ka gano, mama nga.
Kami ko mama. Video.
Picture, ay video na.
Ay YouTube boy. Pusa diya sa YouTube ni.
Yati, sure oy. Oh. Hi guys. Hello. Hi guys. Nagtanog ulan. Bakit mo?
Mama,
ate, ay nanay mo sabi.
ay kog tawin.
Ate, guys.
Tawil ba?
Salong ang baha.
Photo opportunity.
Habit-habit mo
So first, natay, shot na. Bird's eye view na shot. And then after, picture taking na yun
Bawal except sa kong bed.
by strand na. So now ako, as, para kung din ka maguna, mas nangayabaw ng likod, dahil kayo. So, maguna ang photo of
Hi. Itanaw ba si Katikura oh? What happened to her? Unsa? Nothing. Okay. Mato, naumana na mong practice sa day to practice half day. And see you sa pinning ceremony na mo. Pinning and candle lighting ceremony na mo.
guest speaker.
Stop singing.
Schools Division, together with Sir PD Vice President, to be here in the front for the pinning ceremony.
Mana. Mana. Hi guys. Sabi ko ikaw. Hello, Mana. Ay, Mana. Manganta na mi sunod. Ano na? Namoblema ko. Oy. Hello, Dai. YouTube.
Shout out YouTube.
YouTube na. YouTube. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, Dai. Dai! Dai! Hello! Hello! So, karon na problema ko no ako ibutang ni cellphone ko. Wala. Gusto, manayaw na. Manayaw, mangayaw. Gusto na ko i-record ang moment, syempre. Pero, bawal biya mag-gunit yung cellphone no, kay nahin kayo magsayon yung cellphone. So, i-figure out na ako later. Okay? 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 Oh, video. Hello? Ay, Mr. Vloggies. No, di ka musulti. No, di ka musulti.
Hi, vlog.
To lead us the lighting of candle, together with Dr. Rose G. Pagayan, SSLG Vice President.
And the lighting na. And though it's still you, hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm
As we ignite the flame of knowledge and innovation, we kindle the spark with engaged students, illuminating the path to excellence. This world immersion program is a beacon of opportunity, guiding students toward a brighter journey where challenges are met with resilience and growth with explosion. And mentorship, where industry experts and students come together to shape the future workplace. As the light shines bright, it symbolizes the potential that lies within each individual, waiting to be unleashed and harnessed to make meaningful impact. May the light of knowledge and experiences guide our students as they begin on this journey of discovery and growth. And faith, and push beyond the limits. As we light the path, we celebrate creativity and perseverance that defines this program and inspire us to strive for excellence.
na picture ngani.
Sorry nga ni.
When I was so I thought I'd reach there, baby, that was then. I made more than my yesterday. This is my love, I'm living in the moment. So I look around, I can't believe what I see. My fears behind me, but I the shadows and down. That was then, this is my love. I feel this high, but I'm a basic. I can't wait, I stand so big. This is my love, and I'm living in the moment. I look around, I can't believe the love I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and down. That was then, this is my love. I have been courage like never before. Yeah, I've settled for less, but ready for more, ready for more. This is my now, and I'm living in the moment. So I look around, I can't believe the love I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and down. That was then, this is my now, and I'm living in the moment. So I look around, I can't believe the love I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and down. That was then, this is my now.
Ano tarong video? This is my now ug dili kaghapon.
Panabo City Senior High School, my dear alma mater, the pride of Panabo, the landmark of success, the bearer of truth and excellence. Go forth, ecclesiastics, as we traverse the sea of life. Ignite in my heart the desire to seek wisdom away. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Alternative learning system. Please here.
Manami picture! Ayun na moment!
Walking the 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Next, faculty and staff. Faculty and staff. All the teachers, grade 11, kung napay grade 11 teacher niya, grade 12 teachers, please here. Sir Mark Anthony Cinco, Ma'am Vanessa Ibere.
Uy! Alisa mo! Hello! Mana! Mana!
Hindi ko ibalik na.
Mana po ni teacher, manaol, mangulay na me.
Ikaw tas resulta dito.
Ay, pada manguli. Palong, si Palong. Sabay rabi may Palong. Laag pa daw dito. Ha? Ngato pa daw dito.
Wala ba dira?
Wala, drama, di ba ito mamalit?
Rabbi mo palit mo diya ah.
Malaag ra gani. Mana? And fairness karon. Congrats! Congrats! Laylay, lagi tanin yung scarf mo. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Bawal mo gulang mo.
Nanulod magani sila. Okay.
Ay na ay.
Sa amin nanulod.
So, wala gito, Lunes, magato namin Central, and mag Thursday na mo sa for work mission. Congrats, Day.
Congrats, Dad. Congrats sa mga agta daw ron. Wala ko pa.
Ano, comfort of food. Itipar na to sa kanoy, isabay na tong graduation.
Gani. Wala ko di ko sa ay.
Same, good, food, good, pordoy, good. Sabay, lagi kong hakik ganina, kayo okay pang sahe.
Uy. Nanay sa atin na.
Sana ay ganyan. Mga na maday. Oto, congrats sa amin. Congrats sa
Kuya,
amin.
padagat ba na yun ha?
Close to the
Close
to the graduation. Close to the graduation. Appear, pa naman.
Kalit na to, bay. Kalit na to.
Just
Pero mga na to ako ta ha. Di ba ko ka budget no? Naka-50 ka kung naka-free ako. Mga na.
So earlier, literally just like seconds before I take this video, I saw the moon and I just went to our house to get my cell phone to hopefully record the moon, but now I can't see it anymore. Where are you, moon? Really just seconds. I take my cell phone. I just went to take my cell phone so that I can record the moon, but now I can't find the moon. Where are you, moon? Where are my moon? Oh no. Let me see you, moon, again, please. So I wait like for 3 minutes and there it is. Looks much more better in person than it is on camera. It really looks so exquisitely stunning in person, and here it just looks like a light bulb. And yeah, earlier it was covered in the clouds right here, and thankfully it revealed itself and the clouds went away. Away maybe. Yeah, hello. A really good thing to end the day, and yeah, I'm so happy. Babush.